Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to get AdSense approval without writing any content. My name is Yusuke from Raf Creative Agency. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing by hitting on subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Like I said, I will show you how to get AdSense approval without writing any content. That is what I'm going to show you right now. So without wasting time, let me go straight to the point to show you how to get AdSense approval without writing any content. Let me go to my Chrome here and show you. Alright, okay, so what you have to do, because I noticed that a lot of people, a lot of bloggers are finding it difficult to get AdSense approval, but I'm going to show you one secret way you can follow to get AdSense approval without writing any content. Alright, now what you have to do is to get a script, okay, then use the script and develop a website, solve people's problem, okay, provide solution to their problems. Okay, now simply go to codecayon.net, like here. Okay, codecayon.net. Now simply go to search for any script. For example, I searched for XU tools. Alright, let me go to the home page of this platform. Now I search for XEO2, then I hit enter on my keyboard. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, then smash on the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Okay, search for XO2, then you see bunch of scripts here you can get and develop a particular platform where people can get solution to their problems. This is Sumo XO2s. Okay, it is online XO2 script, and this is A to Z XO2s. Now there are many here. For me, I will choose this A to Z XO2. So let me open it and show you how this thing can solve people's problems so that you get AdSense approval. Okay, now let me view the demo. But this script, this is what this script has: article writer, plagiarism checker, backlink maker, meta tag generator, meta tag analyzer, keyword position checker, robot.txt generator, XML sitemap generator, backlink checker, keyword CPC calculator. There are many. Okay, so if you get this script and use it to build your own website, okay, you see that you get AdSense approval. First of all, let me show you this platform. This is a temporal email platform. You can this platform, you can get an email, then use it to register something online, okay, without using your own email. Like here, this is Temple. All right, so you copy the link, then use it for anything you want to like online. Can you see the ads here? So this is Google AdSense. It's showing right here. All right, so this is Google AdSense. All right, so these are some posts. If you like, you can create some posts. If you don't like, forget about it. Google will still approve your application. All right, so this platform is helping people, okay, in order to get an email to register in whatever thing they want to register online. This is a temporal email, so it doesn't save anywhere. For example, if I want to make use of this email, maybe I want to register something online, I will copy this email and use it to register whatever thing I want to register. Okay, so if you get this tool, then use it to develop your own platform, your own keyword research tool, where people can come and make keyword research about a particular topic they want to write about. Okay, and also if they want to write their article, they are free to do that. If they want to check plagiarism here, they also have the opportunity to do that because you have developed the site. So when Google sees that your platform is helping people a lot, they're going to approve your request instantly because your platform is helping people to solve their problem. All right, now let me see the live preview of this tool. Now let's see what it is. Okay, so this is the tool, search engine optimization. More than 50 SEO tools to keep track of your SEO issues and help to improve the visibility of your website in search engines. All right, so this is the test content tool. This is plagiarism checker, article writer, online MD5 generator, word counter. So this is what this tool has. Can you see? This is where Google AdSense have to be understand, and here also is where Google AdSense will also be placed. All right, so these are the tools that this script has. Okay, so and that there is no blog post here. There is no, in this demo tool there is no blog post. All right, these are complete tools for search engine. This is domain into IP, this is domain authority checker, this is domain age checker, this is find DNS record, backlist lookup. All right, so when you get this script and use it to build your own platform, you see that you get Google AdSense approval. Now let's see how much this script is. This is only $13. Okay, this is only $40, sorry, but they are selling it $13 because they are under promo. All right, so they're under promo. This is $13.13. Okay, so this is what you have to get this script for. You have $13.13, you get this script and use it to develop your own website. Understand? So when you are building your own website with this script, you have to buy a domain name. You can name it xeoguru.com, you can name it myxeo2.com. in fact, you can use your name and do it. Understand? Then you change this A to Z xeo to Z and put your own logo. Okay, so nobody will know the type of script you use in building your platform. All right, but this is how you can get AdSense approval without writing any content. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe button, and don't forget to smash the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. If you have any question, please go straight to the comment section and ask your question. I'll be there, okay, to answer your questions. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.